Today's video I'll be doing sweet and sour chicken poppers. For my ingredients list, I have 1 egg that I'll whisk in a bowl. I have my flour here, I added some salt and pepper, some seasoning, some paprika, and some cornstarch. And now for my chicken. This is my chicken that I'll be using. It's marinated overnight in some milk and some seasoning and spices that I add to it as well. So let's begin. So guys, here's my flour. I'm just going to stir everything together. This is my flour batter. As you can see, I have this nice batter station well set out. So I stir that. Now to my 1 beaten egg, I'm going to add a little soya sauce to it. I'm going to give it a little dark color. I'm going to give it a little dark color. I'm just going to get a fork and whisk that in. Start off my process here. I'm going to take my chicken. Here's my chicken. Well marinated. I'm going to take it and add it in my egg. Oopsie. No, that's not. I think I flow me not adding it first. I'm just going to add a few of them so you see what I'm doing. Just going to add a few of them so you see the process. Just take them out of my butter here. So guys, after I finish adding to the egg, I'm gonna drop that in our flour. Pop that in. We don't want to add too much at one time, so we're just gonna add about 3 or 4. Alright, then we're gonna just stake it and make sure we cover it properly. We want to fully coat this chicken in the flour. Stir them as much as I can. So guys, I'm still frying my chicken, but here's a bunch that I've finished frying. Take a look. So guys, this is all of my chicken that I fried. So I finished fried and I set them aside. Now I'm going to start on preparation for my sauce.
Hey guys, so just a little disclaimer, I'll be posting affiliate links down in the description below which I'll be promoting products. So if you're interested and you want to purchase a product, just click on the affiliate link and it will take you to the product where you can view or make a purchase.
So guys, I'm going to try one of the chicken to show you how juicy it is. So here I have this one here. Do the ASMR to show you. Very soft and nice. So guys, I'm going to start by making my sweet and sour sauce. Here I have some tomato ketchup, some vinegar, and canned pineapple juice. My pineapple juice you might not see because the bowl is clear, so but it's pineapple juice that I came out of my tin. And this is my apple cider vinegar, you may not see it as well there. And I have some tomato ketchup, and I'll be adding like cornstarch and some thyme and scallion and some sugar, but you see the process when we're finished. Stay tuned.
So guys, that's it for my video for today. Thank you all for watching. I want to say special thanks to my subscribers and my viewers who continue to watch my videos. Hope you all enjoy this one and see you in my next video. Bye.